2nd, 2025. The holiday seasons are over. Great Christmas, great Thanksgiving. Had a good New Year's this year. Took the family to Lambert's Cafe in Sykeston, which is about a 5-hour turnaround. But all the family went. If you don't know about Lambert's, Lambert's is the restaurant home of the thrown roll. So as you're eating, you're getting these monstrous, fresh, homemade rolls thrown over your head. If you want one, you gotta hold your hand up. They'll throw you a roll. And some of those throws are pretty good. They had a young man, looked like he was, I don't know, 10, 11, out there throwing 30-foot rolls across the restaurant to people eating. Got lucky. Normally Lambert's is a huge line. And of course there was probably 40 people in line. Everybody was friendly. Probably waited about, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes, and we got seated. And at Lambert's, you don't get a plate right off the bat, and they bring fixings around, so you get all kind of food brought to your table, and they just lay it on a napkin, and you eat the food off a napkin. Not overly expensive, but I guess it was probably $24 a person. But the experience is pretty cool. Pretty cool experience. And the staff is all wonderful. They treat you great. But that was yesterday, January 1st. That was our little getaway to Lambert's in Sykeston. Probably make that a yearly thing. It was cold. And right now it's 6:27 a.m. in the morning, and we're looking at anywhere from 24 to 26 degrees right now, Fahrenheit. I've got about a 3.5 hour turnaround ahead of me. And of course, yesterday we woke up to Louisiana incident where they believe it was terrorism. And then I read something about Trump's hotel with the Tesla getting blown up, the Tesla Cybertruck. I'm telling you, keep your heads on a swivel, be observant everywhere you go right now. There's a lot of people don't want Trump to take office. So there'll be a lot of events, I'm sure, happening, unfolding in the next 18 days. So keep your family safe. If it looks bad to you, it's probably bad. Don't go. Or you get that gut feeling, don't go. Listen to your gut. Because there's no telling what's going to happen. There's some crazy people out there in the world. Crazy people. But yeah, it's a cold one. I want to touch on something real quick. I was watching another tow channel, and he touched a little bit on scammers. And we see it a lot in our area, where you break down on the interstate, you're traveling, you're with your family, whatever the call may be, roadside assistance, and you open up Google, and you got 2 or 3 at the top of your search page. Well, you call one, and they're like, absolutely, we can get a truck to you, and they want, let's just say, let's just use a number, $300. They want $300, come out and change your tire. And you agree, and they want payment up front, so you go ahead and give them your credit card information. You're in a hurry. These people sound nice, and they tell you that they'll have a truck to you in an hour. So you're sitting there and you're waiting and waiting and waiting, and then while you're waiting, what is happening is they are busy calling local companies to do the call. Now, mind you, I don't even know where these people are at that you call. There's no trace of them around our region. So they're searching, trying to find a tow truck company or a towing service company or a roadside assistance company to come out and do your flat tire. Well, they want the tow company locally to go out and do it for, $60. So ultimately, they're looking to profit $240 over a phone call. When if you would have called a local company, you might have been looking at, let's just say $100. You might have been looking at $100 tire change, especially if you're on the interstate. So 45 minutes later, they call you back and you're like, hey, we miscalculated the fees. It's going to be $400. So they want your credit card again for another $100. Okay, first off, that's a red flag. So don't be giving these people no more money. Look for your local towing services. It's fine to find that on Google or wherever, Bing or Microsoft, but try to find a local company, somebody reputable, to come out and do your service. Because one, I don't know who these people are. I don't know where they're at. There's 3 or 4 of them listed on our search engines locally. Can't get a hold of them when you call the number. And we've gotten pretty good at detecting, hey, this is one of those companies that wants us to go out and do a $60 tire change that should pay $150, and they're going to profit $200-$300 off of our services. And they're not in a hurry, so they might have waited 60 minutes before they even called a local towing company to come out and service your vehicle. When a local company would have expedited because they want good reviews and they don't want to go through a third party. That's a third party operation to where that local tow company probably most likely will struggle to get paid even the $60 that they agreed to go out and do the road service for. So it's crazy. And about the only way to do it is to dispute your credit card, get your money back. Because odds are these companies aren't even going to show up. Because they've already got your money. They've talked to you into paying up front. If a local towing company wants you to pay up front, it's different. But you gotta pinpoint, are they local or are they not local? So watch out for scammers. So scammers are doing text messages now to your cell phones telling you that you're, a transaction's been made on Amazon and they want you to call this number. If you didn't, well, odds are you didn't. So check your credit card or check your online app or something to confirm. Do not call or text these people back, because all they want to hear is yes, and during a recorded conversation, and they will take all of your money. So your Netflix account has been canceled. No. Turn your TV on. Is Netflix working? Okay, ignore the text message. Odds are it's all a scam. So anyway, I'll quit rambling. I got about another hour drive, so I will see you all when we get on scene. All right, we just finally got to our pickup area. Simple truck hit a bridge. Looks like it backed into the bridge. It's weird. Doesn't look like it hit the bridge head on. But yeah, simple hook and go. I didn't bore you with all the details. Safety chains, air, ran to the tank, steering wheel strapped. Driveline has 2 straps holding the driveline up. Mud flaps are strapped up. Lights are on. Light bar has a safety on it. Air line's tucked and secured. Steering wheel strapped. Not a whole lot to it. Straps on the cross member, stubby forks, oil pans up and out of the way. Easy, although I don't know how long this old truck's been sitting, so we'll find out once we start getting it down the road. Being that it is 28 degrees, I did have to take a hammer and beat the drums loose because the brakes were locked up. So just a couple simple taps right here. You'll hear the metallic change in sound when you hit it with the hammer. Tires are all up. Don't think that'll be a problem. I'll stop at about 10 miles and check it out real good just to ensure. I won't be going fast anyway. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe. Make sure you like it. Change the let's change the algorithms. We're not getting as many views as we used to, so I'm trying to get the channel back up and kicking like it was. So yeah, cold morning, sun's out, it'll warm up soon. Expecting snow Sunday and Monday, which I'm betting we'll just get rain, maybe a little bit of freezing rain. We are literally in a pocket to where snow is almost impossible to get in our area, and I don't know if it's because of land between the lakes or what, but yeah, they don't like the snow in our area. We always get the ice storms and the freezing rain and the power outages and so forth. So won't be nothing to show on drop off. Literally I'm gonna drop and roll out. So we'll see if I can go grab another one today, get back on here. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff. Appreciate you taking the time out to ride along with us. All right, see you on the next trip.